Shree Learning and Rhymes.
Let's learn about the solar system. Sun. The giant ball of fire that powers our solar system. It keeps us warm and makes life on Earth possible. Mercury. The smallest planet and closest to the Sun. Mercury has boiling days and freezing nights. Venus. Hotter than Mercury with thick, toxic clouds. Venus spins backward and super slowly. Earth. Our beautiful home, full of life and water. It's the only planet known to support life. Mars. The red planet with dusty storms and canyons. Scientists dream of humans living on Mars someday. Jupiter. The largest planet with a big red storm. It has 90+ moons and strong magnetic fields. Saturn. Known for its bright, icy rings. A gas giant that could float in water. Uranus. A blue-green ice giant that spins sideways. It's super cold and full of frozen gases. Neptune. Dark blue and home to the fastest winds. It's the farthest planet from the Sun.